Hey everybody, Cory Meyer here, and I'm excited to tell you about my newest listing right here in Lake California. Lake California is a private gated community with a private lake and access to the Sacramento River. You're gonna love this home. It's a modern floor plan, beautiful home, open kitchen. As you go through this home, you're gonna see a great design. As you walk out on the back deck, you're gonna see an open backyard, horseshoe pits, and everything you want. Come check this home out. It's amazing. You're going to love it.